United Committee Manipur warns of unprecedented upheavals if Indo-Naga Framework Agreement harms Manipur's territorial integrity in any manner. JCLPS Students Wing locks up administrative blog of NIT Langol today against proposed recruitment interview for 22 faculty members outside Manipur. Manipur University community strongly condemns recent order by Ministry of Human Resource Development in contradiction to the earlier agreement. Revenue Minister Karam Sham launches baseline data website to provide full satellite imaging cadastral data of September 2014. And Manipur Domestic Workers Movement Organization urges government to give befitting recognition to domestic workers like any other workers. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. President of United Committee Manipur UCM Sunil Karam has warned of an intense, never-seen-before upheaval in the state if the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement harms the territorial integrity of Manipur in any manner. He intimated the same to media persons during a press meet at UCM's office today. Sunil also said representatives of UCM appeals for a special state assembly session to discuss and take joint decisions not to let the framework agreement harm Manipur. Subsequently, it was announced that a special assembly session will be held on August 10, which was then rescheduled for August 16. Sunil maintained, however, the special assembly session finally cancelled, citing there is no content in the framework agreement posing any threat to the state's territory. Strongly condemning the decision to cancel the special assembly session at WIMS, the president of UCM questioned whether the state government is planning to take a decision only after the disintegration of Manipur, or is the authority concerned planning to declare denouncing its pause. He urged the state government to take a definite stance on the issue and approach the relevant authority at the center without further delay.
Labor Kairma to the Pamtato Mayamna, except a Wiroi, other number 2001 da, Muitara Nipan Assembly Secretary political parties, Mai Thak Aduga Mi Kabot, Karaga Putorpui, people Mayam lady was there. See Government of India in 2001 ge Adugma Togse, Ningshin View, Government of Indiana, Manipur Gomena, High Wapam Sita Hanjan Namasigi against the Lakpa Targadi, Hantak the Aroi Boina, Manipur Praja Punamana, Manipur Amukta Logi Tribaware, Manipur Amukta Toki deba, Yo, Kayam Kap, Government of Indiana, Manipur Gilam Hanjan Nanjana, Tugainaba, Torpa Targadi Equatuma Pirebado, Lona Nabagidamukta, Equi Shem Sare.
On the other hand, Sunil Karam also demanded clarification from the Home Department and asked why one KH Sector Brata in Manipur police uniform came inside UCM's office and took photographs discreetly on August 14. He said UCM condemns the act and take it as a threat for initiating the ongoing movement. He asserted the Home Department and KH Sector Brata should bear all the responsibilities for any untoward incidents upon any members of UCM.
Office the Sangaga without any information, without any warrant. Ita Karimta office sigi regard amasung kainta yengdana Sangakana Aikogi Mapanda campus ki manung da photo kapa Aikogi office ki manung da laka na kogi photo ka caption ba Masikarama intentional high river K Saitabrata se Masikanano Karigi Damukta duty Tarko Labano Tarak Tarkana Karigi Changa ino Maxi Kanana Tajalino High Base Manipur government ke home Pubiriba na Yamna Sek to Virakana K H Saitabrata se verified the wheel Karagama office of the Sangakanda Wang Amabo Hangdana Hector Manning Town Sangaga Torupase Houses Sanction Live issue Shida Equigi office bearer since that Mi Pivet to Zuma Pono Namagi Lambian Amaga Lunana Houses Sanction Live issue se Sin Namtanaba Prima Agreement Manipur Kananaba Honorumatamda Manipur Miyangi against the Manba of Lawi.
JCLPS Students Wing has locked up the administrative block of National Institute of Technology NIT Langol today following its warning against conduction of interview for recruitment of 22 NIT faculty, including professor, assistant professor and staffs at a hotel in West Bengal. Convener of JCLPS Students Wing, Manjit Sarangthem, said the director of NIT Langol was intimated to hold the interview in Imphal on August 16.
NIT asidasu ekoigi mioi khuzok kharana ekoigi lamdam sigi adugum lava campus ama oiriva NIT gi local gi resident context khangan gadawa adugumba local gi environment ningchina khangal lakanda exam pangthok da basa mitop singi aduga outside the states da leiriba mi singi convenient yang kan exam pangthok pai basi national institute ama oiraga su si lamdam sigi lehaw da leiba adugumba institute ama ne habasi yamna make sing na khangbiyo maramdana asugumba mongril ta da system asa masi thadok ti fawwa JCLPS student wing makha tana kan khong sing gi gani koi ngasi thammi bo phom asa ngasi khudak ta hando kan da ngasi gi lenga ngasi nam de NIT gi authority na chapchana koi gi makoi gi pangthok ki exam adu chana ba yaroi amadi yaithogani haibagi resul torogani imphal torogani haibagi chapcha thajo bidragadi madu tholakpa thoning da thojok sing responsibility NIT amadi Manipur lenga na pugudam.
Students' Union of Biramangol College, Sawombung, has warned of intense agitations if the vacant post of the principal in the college is not filled up by August 22. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary Games and Sports of the Students' Union, C.H. Romario, said principal in charge of the college, R.K. Manisana, passed away unexpectedly on July 2. He said since then the principal's post has been lying vacant, bringing lots of inconveniences in the college. Romario lamented despite repeated pleas to the state government, no action is taken till date.
Hoina mari leinaba department singda thengkhang kaya unajakre dubu positive response bibi belaite maram asina ta lagliba tang konithoi yumjagai se numit fawgi manungda karigumba Birmangol college ki in charge order thopiraktragadi Birmangol college student union gi maikai dagi amadi satra sing gi maikai dagi akanba khongjong changjallagani lenga asina afapata thaida pungo pugudam.
Kanglei Park Students Association KSA is all set to initiate intense agitations if compartmental examination results for class 10th recently conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM is not declared within 5 days. Speaking to media persons at the office of KSA in Khoyathong Pukri Mapal today, General Secretary of KSA Hemjit Sinam asserted that the fate of 3,914 students who gave the examination on July 21 remains uncertain. He warned KSA will lock BOSEM office and strict actions will be taken against the officials concerned if the result is not declared within 5 days. Hemjit also appeals to the Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSEM to extend the last date for submission of class 11 admission forms from the previously announced August 20.
2017 की जुलाई 18 दा अपुनबा महिरोई कैंडिडेट 4511 ना अपियर तौदुना पांगथोखिबा गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम असि जोन 17 की रीजन से 31 जुलाई दा कोई रीजन आउट ओइकी अदुगा हंदक चाइगी ओइना अपुनबा महिरोई कैंडिडेट 3914 खक्तमक फॉर्म फिलअप तौखिबा गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम की रीजन हौजी फावो हाइदुपा ngam बायबसे बोसेम की मनुंगदा पॉलिटिक्स सनरिब्रा नत्रगा बोसेम की असोइबदु तसेंग उल्लबरा हाइना केसेना खंदबा ngamde amadi असिगुंबा मोंग असि केसेना कंडेम तौई कंपार्टमेंटल एग्जाम असि ngasi थारगना नमी मंगानी की मनुंगदा बोसेमना करिगुंबा एग्जाम असि हाइदुक्तबा तारगदी अखोइगी मथों मसक खंगदबा बोसेम की ऑफिशियल सिंग मथक्ता सब साब थौ पाइखनबा अमदी बोसेम की ऑफिस थों लोंसन जगिनी.
Manipur University community has strongly condemned the latest order issued by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, which is in contradiction to the earlier agreement signed between the ministry and the university community during a joint meeting. Speaking to media persons at Muta's office today, President of Musa, M. Dayaman, I beg your pardon, President of Musu, M. Dayaman, stated that the joint meeting of Manipur University Community, MHRD and Government of Manipur held from August 14 to August 16 agreed on 7 clauses. However, the order issued by the Undersecretary of Ministry of HRD, Vijay Kumar, fails to mention Clause 3 for an independent inquiry and Clause 4 pertaining to VC Professor A.P. Pandey's leave during the ongoing inquiry. He said as a result, the decision to suspend the agitation temporarily remains void and agitations will continue. Diamond also said the university community has already intimated the ministry regarding the matter.
Council of Ministers aduga state ki official mayam ama yauna oja sing aduga akhoi university community atop topa akhoi gi members sing yauna phang hiba adugumba mifam adugi tarakhiba MOA do akhoi leiriba MHRD na hawoina lawdaba amasung madu lumna lawdaba na maram orakanda asunlaba ngasi go others reflect toroktabani maram asina akhoi gi Manipur university community na sanghaliba khungjang ase akhoi housing maki oina makha adum tajagi gani loinana kaigumba Manipur gi leiriba akhoi mairoi sing gi aduga Manipur university ki khanbi taragadi masida akhoi gi leiriba concern authority na yamna thuna act tobam thu
Revenue Minister Karam Sham has launched a website for implementation of Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014 today at his office chamber at Old Secretariat that depicts baseline data, satellite image of September 2014 with cadastral data. The website contains data bank with details of the paddy land along with survey numbers with the help of the map prepared on the basis of satellite pictures. The website was prepared by Manipur Remote Sensing Applications Center MARSAC, Department of Science and Technology DST for Revenue Department, Government of Manipur with assistance from ISRO. Speaking to media persons in his office chamber at Old Secretariat today, the minister asserted that the newly launched website will facilitate better implementation of Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act passed by the state government in 2014. Minister Karam Sham said the data bank will expedite eviction of illegal encroachers upon farmlands since passing of the act in 2014 and further facilitate poor farmers to build houses in their respective farmlands. It may be mentioned that the Act has provisions which allocates 0.10 acres and 0.20 acres of land in urban and rural areas respectively for construction of houses for those farmers who do not own any other land apart from their paddy lands. Karam Sham said with the passing of the Act in 2014, the Revenue Department has undertaken various eviction drives to conserve paddy lands. However, the project was halted as decided in a cabinet meeting of September 13, 2017 due to emergence of some irregularities. The meeting then resolved to lay off the project temporarily until an adequate data bank is made available. He said data bank related to work started on September 19 last year. Speaking further, the minister said that the government empathizes with the plights faced by victims of eviction drives, however, assured that the measures are taken for the welfare of the state. He further appeals to all to extend cooperation in all projects undertaken by the government.
Sarkar ge ya ba yaudana exigi wangmada mafam marang khangdana tawning ba putol da tawsin baduma sarkar na madu thingnana bagi step lorokpada aiba data bank sina chobo mateng ama pangagani aduna Manipur sarkar na Manipur praja gi yaiphanna ba tawriba thabak singse praja gi interest ni miyam gi interest ta tawba thabak nina masida Manipur gi praja singna phajana fully cooperate PBO haidana ai sama revenue minister moina praja singda appeal tawri act rules mayam ama leraga su praja na madu cooperation pidraga di thabo oina onthokpa si aruba poni oji local liba step sing ju tungi Manipur praja gi future gi namuktani aduna masida praja singna phajana understand tawbi baga loinana Sarkar na laukat liba thabak singda maximum cooperation PBO haidana ngasi gi web lunch tawbasigi mari lenana the Manipur prajada appeal tawjare.
Negligence of the Agriculture Department has led to scarcity of fertilizers in the state. Both the government godowns in the state remain closed and non-functional, which further contributed to the shortage of supply. When Impact News approached the director of the Agriculture Department to inquire the reason behind the shortages, the director nonchalantly directed to meet the AFO instead. Responding to the same queries, the AFO maintains that transportation of fertilizers was halted by the recent landslides at Lal Mati in Nagaland since July 24. When Impact News further inquired why Imphal-Jiri Road was not utilized as an alternative, the AFO stated that the government had already made prior payments to the company concerned to transport the goods from Imphal-Dimapur Road. He also maintains that the government has financial constraints in addition to the natural calamity. Upon visiting the government godowns at Apex Cooperative Society in Lamphel and Kumanlam Park today, Impact News found both the government godowns closed. Farmers were lined up waiting for the godowns to be opened. One of the farmers said they have been waiting every day to get fertilizers as they cannot afford the exorbitant price of fertilizers, ranging from 800 to 1,000 rupees available in the market. When Impact News cameramen flashed camera lens inside the godown in Lumphil, bags of fertilizers were seen inside the godown.
Koi lomi ji han biraga nu har matam jana bibio koi passport chai biar matam ji da koi passport pok chai dana phang dana leireu ji har lomi jing ji am matam jana sarkar na matam jana phangani bek ta di chanipan chumai na dum phangni chanipan de khoi di leiba ngam ti khoi di laira bani na chumai chum tor ga di phok je khoi gi chathok ta jo handara ani adei di lomi jing ji hena wasila ani hai bo chumai na phangan da ta ga green revolution mai pak ni thajadi.
Impact News visited some farmers at different paddy fields today. The farmers expressed sorrows that due to unavailability of fertilizers they produce will be hampered, asserting that there is specific duration when fertilizers can be used and not just any time. The farmers urged the authorities concerned to make available fertilizers as soon as possible.
Mayang Pal Kendra gi manungga leiba mayang mang khamba akoi huji ising isau gi awaba mayam si thengnari ngai kanda huji amu har amu phangre har sai bai yaraba matam si lo ising gi mayang ta gi bagi loina na ta hraba matung si da amu har phangdana huji akoi huji awaba ma waire akoi na leige na thiru matam da chatre chanipal hare har si tilongi akoi gi khudong chaba si amata phangre aduna yaraga di athuba matam da sarkar na masi matang yengdem rakadra hana hoya sa tawjeri.
Manipur Domestic Workers Movement Organization drew the attention of the state government to recognize and ensure rights to domestic workers like any other workers. Members of Center for Development Initiatives, Guwahati and Manipur Domestic Workers Movement Organization jointly held a press meet at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media persons, City Program Coordinator of Manipur Domestic Workers Movement Organization, N. Benedict, stated that there are around 2,237 registered domestic workers from Imphal West, Imphal East and Churachandpur districts alone in Manipur. He maintained these domestic workers are earning their livelihoods by working door to door doing household chores. However, these workers do not get their due payment. Benedict said the media interaction was held to highlight the various plights right from finding a rental place to stay and to meet the daily needs of their families facing these domestic workers who come from underprivileged sections to work in Imphal city. He urged the government to enact a law to protect and safeguard domestic workers from exploitation and harassment by their employees.
Our main objective is to raise their voice to the public, because they are very hidden workers and their voice is not heard and they are not recognized. They are not recognized as workers and their work is not recognized as work because they are paid very low wages, and we want to empower them and become recognized in the society by the government.
Government appeal to ningba haibidi government na yargadi Manipur domestic gidamakta minimum wages ta schedule to biraga moi khusuman lepiba amadi mona adu lepa matamda moigi working condition thabak subi condition amadi moigi pungyarak su dabra compensation adum se khra thambiragadi adum regulation law ma thambiragadi lairiba asigi worker mayam si moigi damakta afaba oigni.
High Court of Manipur and Manipur State Legal Services Authority jointly organized a one-day state-level conference on key challenges on effective implementation of Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. The conference was held at Court number 6 of High Court of Manipur today. Representatives of Social Welfare Department, Home Department, Child Welfare Committees, Juvenile Justice Boards, Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Childline and Manipur Judicial Academy participated in the conference presided by Justice Ann Kotishwar. In-depth discussions were held on training of child welfare police officers, making new protocols for students studying outside the state, bridging the gaps between the customary laws of the Hills Juvenile Justice Act and POCSO. In one of the biggest gold seized in recent times in the state, a team of Customs Division Imphal anti-smuggling unit has seized gold bars worth around 1,634,389 rupees from 5 non-locals in 2 separate incidents yesterday. Addressing media persons at Customs Division's office in Sangakphum today, SP Customs Division's Imphal Anti-Smuggling Unit Ngango Mairaba said, acting on a tip-off, the team led by him seized 16 gold bars weighing around 3.2 kg, worth around 94,55,084 rupees from 4 non-locals around 4 p.m. yesterday. They were arrested from a passenger vehicle, a Tata Winger, plying along Imphal Dimapur Road at Kwerenge Market. The arrested persons are identified as Sanjay Kumar Krishnani, 32 years from Thane, Maharashtra; Umesh Lakshman Das Darda, 32 years from Aurangabad, Maharashtra; Jayaram Parvati Manglani and Harish Nanikram Stringi, both from Thane, Maharashtra. SP Mairaba said the gold bars were found inside their shoes and stroller bag. While in another incident, the team of Customs Division Imphal Anti-Smuggling Unit almost simultaneously seized 2 gold bars weighing around 1 kg, worth around 11,79,305 rupees from a non-local at North AOC yesterday. The gold bars were recovered from his rectum. The arrested person is identified as Dilip Rajkumar Lal Jani from Maharashtra. He was to travel to Dimapur in a passenger vehicle. All the seized gold bars were to be smuggled out of Imphal to Dimapur and further to Mumbai by train. 2 separate cases were registered against the culprits and investigations are underway.
Bombay ki Ulasnagar area dagi loina moi ma Ulasnagar area dagi ni anti-smuggling unit mayam su DPF Imphal haisina hujik phauda April ki tang 1 dagi na ngasi phauda gold case kuma thoi lokhre aduga approximate weight na kilo 30 gumo igani aduga value na 8 crore rupees aduga masigi matang na masiga mi kuni thoi phakre Customs Imphal na narcotics case sama amphetamine 1 lakh ki value rupees 2 crore mutaba ma lokhak laga mi amaju phakre churuk kumba miscellaneous goods aina kaina pusulakpa case strategy lokalaga 3.05 crore ki pochu phakre aduga new mari amasu phak.
A team of Commando Thawbal under the supervision of additional SP Thawbal Sachidananda Soibam arrested an individual in possession of 500 grams of opium at Wangjing Bazaar today. The team led by OC Inspector N. Sadananda arrested the individual identified as Tenkai Baite, 53 years, son of Thangpao Baite from Tolen Kunau, Kaukha in Tengnopal district around 10:45 this morning. JSC against the brutal killing of Pukri Hongba Memi has fixed a stipulated duration to the government of Manipur to arrest the culprit involved in the murder of Pukri Hongba Memi within 48 hours. The JSC has resolved to adopt various forms of agitations, including denial to claim the body if the perpetrators are not arrested within 48 hours. Large number of people comprising of Mite, Kuki and Nepali communities staged a sit-in at Iko Kaithel against the murder. Speaking to media persons, convener of the JSC, K.H. Dharmin, maintained that Pukri Hongba Memi went out with the prospect of meeting her boyfriend on August 14 and remained untraceable since then. Family members did not take any immediate action since they believed that she eloped. He maintains that the dead body was recovered while the case was being registered in the police station. Condemning the atrocity, he asserted that the family members will not claim the body until the perpetrators are arrested. It may be recalled that the body was recovered inside a sack from Iril River yesterday. An individual suspected to be involved in the murder was apprehended by Thawbal and Cycle Police.
Inhuman Tesserda, Nupi Ot Nabiduna, Soktam Tiva Miota, Happy Mirosi, Nasiki Paliba Sarkarasina, Atuba Matamda, 48 hours Kimanunda, Putopio, Karimu Putopita Patalagati, Semjariba JC, Amati, like Lebas to Liberiba Civil Society Organization, Mayam Kusam Naraga, Sarkari Matakan Agitation, Mam Silakani.
Mihatpasi Karigumba, Sigi Langana Hek, Putokri Pavadi, Akoy Asiba Haksanga Silok Jagiroi, Karigumba. Asiba Haksang Putopangam, the Bamihat Putopangam, the Pavadi, Akoy Civil Society, Mango Luinaraga, Akoy Sangsing Bakonjang, Sigi Sarkata Sangsingini.
Tang tara mari da ki thoki bane adune pawan bala kadra da tian bane adune imana khang ga laiba adune isa ji ji bo paw bu thok bi rak tare aron ba kaya no wa ju amana wa ju ta ji yek da na khai da na khang phangan bi ba wo yo ta phang gra di police la kan gra ni mama ila ya ri mama ai.
Staff and management of Classic Group of Hotel in a press release strongly condemned the disgraceful act of Minister of Forest and Environment and Mahut, Thaunawjam Shyamkumar, who vandalized properties and mistreated the staffs of Classic Grande Chingmerong on August 14. The press release urged the minister not to repeat such acts in future. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the felicitation ceremony for the winners of the 3rd FIFA World Cup contest. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Winners of the 3rd FIFA World Cup contest organized by local dailies Pogna Farm and its sister publication, the People's Chronicle, were felicitated at the Shanghai Hall of Hotel Imphal today. It may be mentioned that the contest was organized in relation to the FIFA Football World Cup held in Russia from June 14 till July 15, 2018. The first prize of gold biscuit worth 1 lakh rupees was handed over to Sanasam Angoba from Wangu. Baby Chan Mutum of Kongba Kaitel won the second prize of Suzuki scooter. Cash prize and mementos were presented to the subsequent winners of the contest. Third prize was shared by 3 individuals, fourth prize by 5 persons, a fifth prize by 6, sixth prize by 6 persons, and 7th prize by 7 individuals. Speaking on the occasion, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Y. Khemchan, expressed pride in stating that Manipur runs in the forefront in the field of sports. He further advocated amendment of state sports policy to provide better facilities and opportunities to all the talented sports persons in the state.
Masing yang population sina event kudimut puthori ba sanaroi singsi quite quality labor adum state amani asidi thamningi traditional laiba sarkar singsi state policy state sports policy ga sanaroi na phagala isiga masi imbalance wale karibukanda cabinet sports ki mataka lagadi state ki sports policy se amkan question dawa hobiro it should be modernized adi sanaroi la ayurga ko state ki sports policy se makhada lai hore budget na piiba kamaina ngang seno so awabni.
Taking part in the event, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Karam Sham stated that sports columnists play an instrumental role in motivating the sportspersons of the state. The well-written articles inspire the young generations to strive for the best. He further condemned politics in sports and called to preserve the sanctity of sports.
The e-river article mayamdu countdown toba sanabo holding either people sing fazanan naina lev digest to lev aduna henna prajat interest sama phahunba kanano haiba masak takwa world ya forward sing aduga kaima kanda nungdang da sanabadu lakanda tv channel da yengaudra ju adi akoi kalam nising na e badu pahar ga maduna bu hena interesting woire aduna akoi sanaba pamjaba aduga sanaba bu nungsiba singsta inot ama piraga adi world cup te henna attractive hen mase adi kalam ni singna achoba daita ma lowe basidi haiman ba tholoi haina.
The Disabled Development Association Manipur DDAM celebrated its 18th Foundation Day at its office in Oinam, Saombung today. The 106th memorial observance of renowned writer Rajkumar Shitaljit was held today. The event was organized by Cultural Forum Manipur at the hall of Manipur Hindi Parishad, All Assembly Road. Paying off floral tribute at the portrait of Rajkumar Shitaljit, singing of Giti Kavya by Dr. Hamom Nabachandra, and reading out excerpts from the writings of late Rajkumar Shitaljit and sharing of memories by Dr. Makhon Mani Mongsaba as a student of the late writer were the main highlights of the event. Speaking in the event, Secretary of Cultural Forum Manipur, K3 Rajan, lauded Rajkumar Shitaljit for all his talents and contribution in the field of literature. Retired teacher of Ramlal Paul High Secondary School, B. Kanhailal, and President of Cultural Forum Manipur, Huirem Birahari, graced the event as the main dignitaries.
Oja Thuibi, Masikai Kunraji Oja, and Kel Sandra Ani Yopokum Pangtok Jagre, Oja Ohumasi, Cultural Forum Manipurgi, Executive Na, Haukiba, Sahida, Kangat Piraga Pangtok Nanaba, Todang Equator Sinabibani, Senabiba Toromadu. Equina, Masi, my appointment, I said, Equina Pangtok 7. Livasi Maroiba Maramdi, Masi Equina, Lebaki Sakanarava, Oza Amani, some forum Namasi, Todang Amalofum, Tui Hibasi, Kanzaraga, Lokat 7.
Research Forum Manipur organized the first Dr. L. Bhagyachandra Ihilel Memorial Lecture at Kangla Hall today. Associate Professor of DM College of Arts, Dhanamanjuri University, Manipur, Dr. Kundongbam Gokulchandra gave memorial lecture on the topic Morality in Sanamahism, its contemporary relevance. President of Research Forum Manipur, Dr. M. Lokendra, and former President of the Forum, Dr. N. Birchandra and Murua Bahadur paid floral tributes at the portrait of Dr. L. Bhagyachandra. Secretary of the Forum, Subham Premjit, said that the memorial lecture was organized to appreciate and remember the contributions made by late Dr. L. Bhagyachandra in safeguarding the culture and tradition of the Meitei community.
Mahangna to Hona Zaramba culture and Natragana Maitazing the Mokta revival, Ama Lanavi Hona Viramba, the Achoba, Sharu Amo in the Mahanga, the Viramba Togdang, Ama the man of Fumba Laricta, Mayam the Mayak Sham, Matai Madudi, Akogi Vaishnavism, the Manipur Lactring among the Maitazing Uramba Mahaki, Masak Matogi, Mawang Ama Mahanga, Toxanaba Yoda, Saru Amagi Lari, Amaka, Pumbiramba, the Maki Honazaman, Kaya, Dongasigi, Mirona, Tangaifa than the Kang the Bayadre, Havaze, Nasigi, Kaleb and Hazing the Kanganaba, Resource from Manipurna, Lisang Sidna Manipur culture. The history of the language based Torgas Shinjaba program is Saruk Amoina, Nasi was a Begazandrabu Anvoina, Ningsing Jabo in Nasi Tormas Pangtok 7.
Kangla Diagnostic Center, Reims Road, observed its 4th Foundation Day at Classic Hotel today. The event was also attended by Health Director Dr. Rajo. Meitei Irol Iek Loinashilol Apunba Loop Milal observed its 15th Foundation Day at GM Hall today. As part of the observance, meritorious students who excelled in Meitei Mayek subject in the recent Class 10 and 12 board examinations conducted by BOSEM and COSEM were felicitated on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, President of Milal, Thokchom Babul Chan, maintained that it is the initiative of Milal, along with the cooperation of the people, which popularized and legitimized Meitei Mayek by replacing Bengali script, which was predominant in Manipur. Stating that Meitei Mayek is now offered in graduation courses, Babul Chan lamented that the script still remains excluded from the Indian currency note, even though it is already listed in the 8th schedule. Speaking further, he lauded the resolution to publish proceedings of Manipur State Legislative Assembly in Meitei Mayek and assured that Milal will continue to strive to promote and uplift Meitei Mayek even in the future.
Currency note, Lupa Manga, Lupa Tara, Hina, Yaudri, Ako Ahanba in a Milana, Tamjakiba, Wakalundi, Harivasi Yahon view, Madam D. Ako in the past of the last Sally have a meaning one totally and view. Past of Grey Habidi Yai, Sally have Taragadi, Senjata, Ako may see Yawudavani, Adobo Hojik, Ladiba, Kandasajida Sarkarna, Lepamani, Sarkan High Mayasi, Masimuk Sangadavani Haina, Tabiga Dabadu, Ako Milana. कोई हमदी हम कने सरकार थम जाई कोई मिलान ता जाई मरम दे ऑफिशियल होय दबदा कोई हारी वो पैसा की स्पेस से हांग दे मदु अदु अफम दे मिलान ता बदो
National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology Imphal and National Career Service jointly organized a one-day job fair at National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology Imphal today. Speaking on the occasion, State Informatics Officer of National Informatics Center, Manipur, K.H. Rajan said, the problem of unemployment is prevalent not only in the state but across the nation. He asserted that a job fair will facilitate youths of the state who are searching for jobs opportunity. Share and Care SAC in a press release informed that a competition entitled Laitarashi Pugning Wakal Open Show to give awareness on crime against women, drug abuse with a vision for development will be held at LG Rose Garden, Urembam on October 2. Non-professional singers are requested to join the singing competition. Blooming Manipur, in collaboration with Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC, planted around 100 varieties of flowers and plants in and around the vicinity of Kwaramban Ima Market and on the southern edge of the overbridge in the market today. Blooming Manipur initiated the gardening campaign since 2012 with an aim to beautify and enhance the aesthetic value of Ima Market as well as to save the environment. Members of European Manipuri Association Ima also took part in the drive. A one-day social service cum tree plantation drive was carried out in and around New Public Higher Secondary School, Khangabok today. The drive was jointly carried out by Students Upliftment Society, New Public Higher Secondary School and Eco Club, Manipur. Teachers, students and staffs of the school took part in the drive. Mating Leiba Kumbi Chasing Maku, in collaboration with Humanism Foundation, organized a mega mass tree plantation program in Kumbi constituency today. The tree plantation drive on the theme Live Green and Let Green Live was carried out along the road from Kumbi Khuga Wangma Lamlong Machin leading up to Kumbi Government High School. Students of Sanatombi Oriental English School, Ideal Academy, Kumbi Sambalay Sekpil English School, members of Eco Club Kumbi and volunteers of NSS unit of Kumbi College took part in the event. As part of the drive, students also took out a rally from Kumbi Bazaar up to Kumbi College. The second meeting between the government of Manipur and JSC of Amtuk and MGO, which was scheduled to be held today at 3 p.m., has been rescheduled on August 21 due to the absence of representatives from the state government. Now the sports news. Manipur Gymnast Parents Association, under the aegis of All Manipur Gymnastics Association, kicked off the first state-level invitation gymnastics championship at Kuman Lampak Indoor Stadium today. Director of Sai NERC Imphal, Francis Merwin, Vice President of AMGA, Dr. N. Binabon, Assistant Director of YAS Department, Tensubam Thauba, and DYASO of Imphal East District, Y. Boni, including many eminent personalities in the field of sports, attended the opening ceremony of the championship. The dignitaries launched the event after the oath-taking ceremony led by silver medalist of National Aerobic Gymnast Thokcho Mayabati. Altogether, 70 gymnasts, both boys and girls from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Bishnupur and Tamenglong districts are competing in various events of the championship. Speaking on the occasion, Director Sai NERC Imphal, Francis Mervin, lauded the initiatives of Manipur Gymnast Parents Association and stated that it is time to encourage and facilitate all the gymnasts in the state by organizing more such championships in near future.
The involvement of the parents in the game of gymnastics is very, very important, because in the game of gymnastics, the training, as I told, starts right from the age of 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and therefore, without the involvement of the parents, it would be difficult for the coaches to deal with these young gymnastics. The involvement of the parents right from the beginning of the training would lead these gymnasts one day to perform well in the national and international championship. The state level championship, maybe district level championship or the state level championship. These championships are the beginning of your career of each gymnast.
Convener of the 62nd Sir Churachan KCSI CBE League Cum Knockout Open Kang Tournament in a press release notified that the final match of the tournament will be held tomorrow. Nambul Mapal Kangkut will face Nambul Bamdir Kangkut in the final match of the tournament organized by Singjamay Kangkut under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association at the Community Hall of Singjamay Namairakpam Lekai. Convener of the 4th Waikom Gambini Laima Memorial Kendra Wise League Cum Knockout Tournament in a press release also notified that the final match of the tournament organized by Laijing Ningthau Apunba Kangkut will be held at Ibudhau Laijing Ningthau Kangshang in Thamweban tomorrow. Kanglei Chess Academy in a press release informed that the Academy's 19th Under-15 Open Saturday and Sunday Rapid Chess Tournament 2018 will kick off on August 25. Further details may be availed from the Academy's office at Singjamay Chingamathak Tongtham Lekai till 4 p.m. of August 24. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. United Committee Manipur warns of unprecedented upheavals if Indo-Naga Framework Agreement harms Manipur's territorial integrity in any manner. JCLPS Students Wing locks up administrative block of NIT Langol today against conduction of recruitment interview for 22 faculty members outside Manipur. Manipur University community strongly condemns recent order by Ministry of Human Resource Development in contradiction to the earlier agreement. Revenue Minister Karam Sham launches baseline data website to provide full satellite imaging cadastral data of September 2014. And the Manipur Domestic Workers Movement Organization urges government to give befitting recognition to domestic workers like any other workers.